No person is totally powerless. It's a process of helping people to discover that power in order to take action, to become real agents of their own change. The right to participation means that when people do have a concern and they do want to exercise their voice, there's a way to do that. Just having the formalities of democracy isn't enough. It's not a matter of just having free elections and voting for officials once in a while. Citizen engagement is a deeper process. It's a sustained process. People are using citizen report cards to monitor their services at schools, and whether teachers show up to teach, and how well garbage is picked up. In Cairo, citizens were using mobile phones and texting in where the lights were going off in their neighborhoods, and using crowd mapping so they could show that power cuts were happening in the poorest communities. Decisions about our services, about our budgets, about our politics, or about our environment, from what should be worked on to what the policies are, to how they're funded, to whether or not the money reaches your communities. It's a whole cycle of engagement. It's citizens getting involved and getting that information in order to do something about it. And then the argument is that through transparency and participation, you get more accountability and more responsiveness from the people who are responsible. Every citizen has the power within themselves to take the first step of action to imagine that the world could be different.